First day? Nervous? Hello Didi.
Hello Pankaj.
How are you?
Fine, congratulations Pankaj.
Thank you.
I'm happy to see your scores. Actually, it was a wonderful.
Yes, I am very grateful to hear from you.
Pankaj, I hope you don't mind if I'm doing my task while talking with you.
No, that's not a problem.
And that's great Pankaj. So what you are saying?
I was just want to ask a question from you.
Yes, of course Pankaj.
As you know, I have just cleared my IELTS.
Yes, I know that.
And I want to know what shall I do the next.
Pankaj, can you please tell me what you have done so far?
I did my schooling from non-medical stream.
Pankaj, you know what I did my senior secondary examination in the same field. After that, I enrolled myself in BTech. To be honest, I was zero in a coding or a programming skills. I used to hate coding. No doubt, I did my theoretical part with a great marks. Actually, I appreciated in my class too. But सच्ची मैंने coding नहीं पसंद सी. जब मैं क्या मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा बुरी लग रही थी. But unfortunately, there was 8 semester in the BTech. In that semester, the student need to build their own project. As I mentioned before, that I wasn't good in coding. At that time, I was confused from where I need to take a training. My all friends went to Chandigarh because Chandigarh is a popular city for a training sector.
Yeah.
Then I asked from one of my favorite teachers, so it's then you pata.
Yes.
Jab मैं stuck आ जाने I always ask from that person. And Pankaj, you know, he is the one who always guides me. And fortunately, during that period of time, he opened his own institute, Sunshine Achievers Stack. Then, without any doubt, I enrolled myself. No doubt, I had opportunity to go to Chandigarh but I think that going there is a wastage of money because in the 4th semester there was a training too. Then my friends went there and they didn't learn anything. And then I enrolled myself in Sunshine Achievers Stack. You know what? I did my training under the guidance of Poonam Devi. She is new to me, but I believe on her because she learned from Sots. Initially, I wasn't performed well because I mentioned before I was underconfident. Then she taught me in such a effective way. I have started to learn something new, and I started to play with coding. And that was a very proud moment for me. And during my exam, I got 10 CGPA.
Wow, that's great.
Yes, it was a fantastic moment for me, and also examiner appreciated me. And she said to me that you need to enhance your programming and technical skills, and you can do work. And I said okay. At that time, I was laughing on my friends who went to Chandigarh. They didn't perform well. Actually, examiner gave them a task and they didn't do it. On the other hand, the examiner gave me the same task to me. I performed it well. It was a fantastic moment, Pankaj. So I think that you need to enroll yourself in a Sunshine Achievers Stack if you really want to enhance or nourish your programming and technical skills, Pankaj.
ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇੱਕ ਰਿਲੇਟਿਵ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਮੇਰੇ ਭਾਜੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਤੋਂ ਹੀ ਲਿਆ ਚਾਈਲਡਹੁੱਡ ਤੋਂ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਗਾਈਡ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਤੂੰ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਤੋਂ ਟ੍ਰੇਨਿੰਗ ਲੈ ਪਰ ਮੇਰਾ ਮਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੰਨਿਆ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉੱਥੇ ਟ੍ਰੇਨਿੰਗ ਵੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਵੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਮੈਂ
and it is expensive.
ਯੈਸ ਟਰੂ ਸੋ ਮੈਂ ਫਿਰ ਸੋਚਿਆ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਗਾਈਡੈਂਸ ਲਵਾਂ ਕਿ ਸਨਸ਼ਾਈਨ ਅਚੀਵਰਸ ਟੈਕ ਦੇ ਟੈਕ ਵਾਲੇ ਪਾਰਟਸ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਆਇਸ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਸੋਚ ਸਕਦੇ ਉਸ ਕਾਰਨ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਗਾਈਡ ਕੀਤਾ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਇਰ ਬੈਂਡ ਲਈ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਪੁੱਛਣਾ ਚਾਹਦਾ ਸੀ
Pankaj, I know that your brother is directing you that you need to follow him, but yes, Sunshine Achievers Tech is the bestest institute in the Kolkata. Pankaj, you know what? I have been known to them 6 to 7 years.
Wow, that's a long journey.
Yes, and I have a good relationship with Soik sir, and I always ask from him when I got confused in my life, in academic or in my personal or in my family circumstances. That's why I'm assisting you that you need to know yourself in Sunshine Achievers Tech if you really want to learn something new and learn from the scratch and basic skills.
So, as you know, I want to become a software developer.
Yes.
So, by which language should I begin with?
Pankaj, I think so. You need to learn basic programming languages, learn C++ and C, because these are the basic programming languages. If you learn these languages initially, then you have a good command on other languages, and you can learn languages like Me, Mon, Laravel, full stack development easily.
So, I will definitely join Sunshine Achievers Tech.
Yeah, so you can. And do you have a LinkedIn profile, Pankaj?
Yeah, sure.
And you need to follow me.
Okay.
Because I am assisting you, then you need to follow me on LinkedIn.
Okay, for sure.
Pankaj, I hope we will have a company like Sunshine Achievers Tech in the Winnipeg.
Yes, I will be the brand ambassador of that.
Okay, for sure, Pankaj.
Yes.
Pankaj C language. Pankaj C language.
The meaning of the hash is the preprocessor directive.
Yes. So whenever we are working with C, C++, then we need some external libraries. So whatever I need from outside, that is inside the library, I need to include that inside the header file. So yes, complete the header file first. So do you have any doubts?
Yes, ma'am, I have used the logic in this if else. Do you please correct it?
It is already correct. You can see here, whenever I'm entering a number, I need to use seal because I'm taking input from the user, right? And here I have used the logic to find whether the number is even or odd, and we are using conditional statement, that is if and else.
Teach to the grandchildren, like setting the rules that he should follow the moral values and principles. Is there anyone who can tell what does a grandfather teach to?
Experience.
In the summarization, I use only 4 values that a grandfather always teach are the moral values and the principles, mother tongue and experience. So these 4 things are told by a grandfather to their grandchildren so that they can follow the set of rules that grandchildren should do these kind of things and all should work in a very proper way. So this is the same work of the grandpa syntax. Grandpa syntax lays the foundation for how everything works in C++. So the next is the arithmetical and logical operators. So the arithmetic, the meaning of the arithmetic is a mathematical term that in which we of all the houses to make decisions are always in the hand of a girl. So this same lies with the C++ that the arithmetical operator are always work on the decisions of the logical operator. These relatives help solve math problems and make decisions. So by moving forward are the controllers. So controllers always check this in a specific area that they need to get that these stairs are correct or there is a orderly manner that all are following their risks. Like the functions are divided to all the siblings so that if suppose that if one person is doing all this work, he or she will get exhausted by just doing a single work like doing cleaning and just checking the mirror that the mirror is clean and ironing the clothes. So it is a very complicated thing, but when the whole thing is divided to all the members, it will get in a very effective. The pointers and memory management. So you need to imagine that a girl is a pointer and a boy is a memory manager. So the work of the pointer is to address the location of anything he or she will get an exact location that where is the variable or a thing is located. And the work of the memory manager is to store the memory that where the thing is located. So they work collaboratively by checking that the girl pointer will get the address of the location specifically, and the memory manager will check where the memory is located.
Hello, Pankaj.
Hello, Vivi.
You are still here?
Yes, I enrolled myself in computer classes.
Oh, that's great. How is it been, Pankaj?
It was amazing.
That's great,
Yes.
Pankaj.
First, I was in dilemma that how will I learn this coding language? As you know, it is quite tricky. But according to the guidance of Poonam ma'am, I made a game actually.
Wow, that's great, Pankaj.
Yes, it is a tic-tac-toe game.
Okay.
So let me show you.
Yes, for sure, Pankaj.
First, I will execute the game. Tier 1 with the X turn.
Okay.
You need to.
I need to enter 1, 2, 3, right?
Yes. Digit.
Okay. 2.
Enter.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Shall we start?
Yes.